Welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. So in this video we will be going to show 3 sets of soft cotton items. 2 will be with cotton dupatta and 1 will be with chiffon dupatta. So all these items which I am showing now are all available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log into our website, which is www.shriyadaCottonhouse.com, or you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So now let me show you the items one by one. So this is the first item. It's a soft cotton item that comes with a soft cotton dupatta. So it's a very simple item but looks very good when you wear it. So this is the top, a grey color, fully printed soft cotton top this is, and you will be getting a same color cotton bottom. So this is the top you will be getting. You will be getting a simple patchwork on the yoke part. So this is how the set looks, a complete printed soft cotton top this is, and it comes with the fully printed soft cotton dupatta. You will be getting a complete printed work and also pom-pom lace on the borders. So this is how the dupatta looks, a fully printed soft cotton dupatta with the pom-pom lace on the borders. A very lengthy dupatta this is, and also you will be getting the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. So in this set we will be having 4 colors. This is the first color, it's a grey color top, the grey color bottom and a printed dupatta. So the next one is green color, beautiful green color this is. So this is how the top looks, a fully printed soft cotton top with the patchwork on the yoke part and a fully printed soft cotton dupatta. A very comfortable daily wear item this is. So this set is priced only at $9.90 with free shipping. So this is how the set looks. A fully printed soft cotton top with the same color soft cotton bottom and a fully printed soft cotton dupatta. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. So all the items which I am showing now are all available in the website. So this is the next color. It's an yellow color, beautiful mango yellow this is. Beautiful yellow this is. You will be getting a simple patchwork on the yoke part. See? And a fully printed soft cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. A fully printed soft cotton dupatta this is. So the price of the set is $9.90 with free shipping. Totally we have got 4 colors in this. Grey, green, yellow, and the last one is orange color. Dark orange color this is. The complete printed soft cotton top this is, and a soft cotton dupatta. A very lengthy dupatta this is, and also you will be getting a pom-pom laces on the edges. So this is the overall view of the set. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. A very comfortable soft cotton top with a soft cotton dupatta and a cotton bottom. So now let me show you the next set. Next set is also a soft cotton set. So this set comes in a very beautiful shades. You will be getting a complete printed top. So this is the top you will be getting. You will be getting a simple embroidery work. So all these are simple embroidery works and also some fancy buttons on the yoke part. So the full top is a printed striped pattern printed you will be getting, and the same color cotton bottom, plain cotton bottom you will be getting, and a fully floral printed soft cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta, a fully printed soft cotton dupatta this is. Such a comfortable item this is. So this item is priced only at $8.90 with free shipping. So in this set also we have got 4 colors. This is the first color, baby pink color, and you will be getting the same color cotton bottom and a fully printed soft cotton dupatta. A very lengthy soft cotton dupatta this is. So this is priced only at 890 with free shipping. So this is the next color. It's a yellow color. So this is how the top looks. A fully printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting a beautiful floral embroideries on the sides of the yoke and also fancy button works. And this is the dupatta, a fully floral printed soft cotton dupatta. A lengthy dupatta this is, 2.5 meter dupatta this is. See the length, a very lengthy dupatta this is. And you will be getting a plain yellow color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. So this set is priced only at 890 with free shipping. Very worth a buy for this price. See. So if you want to see the pictures, you can directly log into our website and you can see the pictures. So the next one is green color top, and you will be getting a fully floral printed soft cotton dupatta. So all this is a complete floral printed dupatta this is, and you will be getting a same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. So the price of this is 890 with free shipping. So the complete cotton set this is. And the next one is blue color, light blue this is. So this is the top, a fully striped pattern top with the embroidered work on the yoke part. The fully floral printed soft cotton dupatta. Very comfortable daily wear item this is. So this is how the set looks. A fully floral printed dupatta. So this set is priced only at 890 with free shipping. So next item is a soft cotton item, but it's a kind of a semi party wear item. So in this set you will be getting a complete pastel shades. So this is the top, fully digital printed top this is. So this is the top, and you will be getting a fully sequence work. So all these are complete sequence work. You will be getting a simple bead work on the yoke part and a complete sequence work all over the top, and a plain chiffon dupatta with the sequence work here and there. See, this is how the set looks. A beautiful color this is, grey color, kind of a light grey with the digital prints all over and the sequence work on the floral part. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at 1245 with free shipping. So in this also we have got 4 colors. This is the first color, a beautiful semi party wear item in a soft cotton fabric. So the next is a beautiful pink color, kind of a light onion pink this is. So all these are very beautiful pastel shades. So this is the top. We'll be getting a same color cotton bottom with this. So this is a complete sequence work and also bead work you will be getting, and this is the dupatta, an embroidered dupatta with the sequence work. Such a beautiful color this is, looks too good when you wear it. So this is priced at 1245 with free shipping. So the next one is also a kind of grey, a light grey this is. This is the top. You will be getting a same color bottom, grey color bottom with this, and a plain chiffon dupatta with the crochet borders on all the 4 sides. You will be getting a crochet borders on all the 4 sides. A very simple but an elegant item this is. So this is priced at 1245 with free shipping. So all these items are available in our website. So you can directly log into our website and you can start placing your orders. So this is the last color in this set. It's a kind of a light brown color this is. Very beautiful pastel colors these are. This is the dupatta, a fully printed soft chiffon dupatta with the same color cotton bottom. So this is the overall view of this set. I hope you all like this set. So this set is priced at 1245 with free shipping. We have given our website address and the WhatsApp number in the description box, so kindly do check it. If you have any issues, please do feel free to WhatsApp us at 9176641794. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collection. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.